In recent years, we have entered an era of unprecedented prosperity as the economy continues to grow dramatically due to the rise of the internet, the widespread use of smartphones, and even globalization. On the other hand, it is also true that various social issues have been exposed, including environmental problems such as global warming, widening poverty disparities, and gender discrimination. In order to realize a sustainable society, technology is expected to solve these social issues. For example, what can be done with technology to mitigate global warming, which has been becoming more and more serious every year? Fujitsu is working on innovating the materials development process to replace thermal power generation using fossil fuels that emit CO2, which is one factor of global warming, with clean energy that does not emit CO2 by using high-performance computing and AI to fast-track clean energy innovation. A typical example for that is the development for catalysts of ammonia synthesis. Ammonia is gaining attention as a zero-emission fuel that does not emit CO2 when burned. Furthermore, since ammonia is easier to be transported and stored than hydrogen, it is expected to play a role in the transfer of hydrogen energy. However, while innovative methods to produce ammonia from water, air, and electricity are currently being researched and developed around the world, the development of catalyst materials that promote ammonia production is difficult, requires a huge number of experiments, and is costly and takes a lot of time. Fujitsu has started a joint research project with Atmonia, an Icelandic venture company that develops ammonia catalysts using simulations. And by utilizing supercomputer Fugaku with high-performance computing technology, which is Fujitsu's specialty in its unique AI technology, we aim to improve the efficiency of the materials development process by reducing the number of man-hours required for experiments by the acceleration of the ammonia catalyst development simulations and the AI technology for finding causal relationship. Fujitsu aims to solve social issues with these technologies and realizing a sustainable world.